a level of independence they never thought possible, allowing them to engage more fully in their communities and personal lives. The impact of this technology extends beyond physical mobility, touching every aspect of a person's life. It also profoundly impacts mental and emotional well-being, bringing joy, hope, and a renewed sense of purpose to those who use it.
The applications of AI exoskeletons extend far beyond assisting those with disabilities. These devices have the potential to augment human capabilities in countless ways. Imagine a construction worker lifting heavy beams with ease. Picture a firefighter carrying a survivor out of a burning building. These are just a few examples of how exoskeletons can enhance human strength and endurance. The implications for industries like manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare are significant. Exoskeletons can reduce workplace injuries. They can boost productivity. In essence, they can redefine the limits of human potential, but the benefits go beyond the practical. There's a certain thrill in transcending our physical limitations. Exoskeletons offer us a glimpse of a future where we are not bound by the constraints of our bodies.
Section 4. Rehabilitation and Beyond Reshaping Healthcare. The field of medicine is also undergoing a transformation thanks to AI exoskeletons. Rehabilitation in particular is being revolutionized. Stroke patients, for example, often face a long and arduous journey to regain mobility. AI exoskeletons can accelerate this process. They provide targeted assistance and feedback. This personalized approach to rehabilitation can lead to faster and more complete recoveries. But the potential of AI in healthcare extends far beyond physical rehabilitation. Researchers are exploring the use of exoskeletons to treat cognitive impairments. Imagine a device that could help Alzheimer's patients regain lost memories. While this technology is still in its infancy, the possibilities are incredibly exciting. AI exoskeletons have the potential to reshape the healthcare landscape. They can improve the lives of millions.
Section 5. A giant leap: exoskeletons in space and beyond. As we venture further into the cosmos, the need for advanced technologies becomes ever more apparent. The vastness of space presents unique challenges that require innovative solutions. AI exoskeletons are uniquely suited to the challenges of space exploration. These advanced suits can provide astronauts with the necessary support and capabilities to perform tasks that would otherwise be impossible. On the surface of Mars, for instance, astronauts could use exoskeletons to navigate the rugged terrain. The harsh environment and uneven ground make it difficult to move around without assistance. They could conduct experiments with enhanced strength and endurance. This would allow them to carry out more complex and demanding scientific research. Back on Earth, these advancements in exoskeleton technology will have far-reaching benefits. The research and development done for space missions can be applied to various fields on our home planet. The development of lightweight materials and energy-efficient designs will pave the way for more practical and affordable exoskeletons. These innovations will make exoskeletons more accessible to the general public. These devices will no longer be confined to research labs or specialized facilities. They will become a common sight in our daily lives. They will become an integral part of our lives, assisting people in various activities and improving their quality of life. The future of AI exoskeletons is brimming with possibilities. With continuous advancements, these devices will become even more sophisticated and versatile. It is a future where human potential knows no bounds. The integration of AI and exoskeleton technology will unlock new levels of human capability and achievement.